Ebusiafo me mamunyina kwaba ede ba yemon komo jumedie so na eneso nyame ede acheyen ensemo die ye kebi ewo radio yi so na asida kese enkoma ye aboafo a wo muso ye nasene ema yetimide yemon komo jumedie bro. All fell so I say alomo beaters was say eno pe ene ye beaters ayato yembo na ya je na ye natural herbal alcoholic product where you say selected from African tropical plant extract ya hwehwem into was say a great medicinal value alomo beaters ana was say yato yembo. Now we a center for research into plant medicine as well as a scientifically evaluated because of the functionality, safety and quality in tea. We say choose right, nenom the authentic African herbal bitters for the right results. Choose right. Ane alomo bitters was authentically African. Neka isa bofra wondi mfie eduoche. Sansu ne ema fefo ana woma wo menufuo no mo nka ho saafo sa na mesemu no munsuo na muntie yen ewo ye mo nkomo so na mekai mo se habitat fence so eba ane EcoBank. We are the 12th edition for EcoBank and a joint news habitat fair. Enti wa nine ho enyamanyama own a home. You see, be proud of yourself. Misrewa Saturday 11th and Sunday 12th of September 2021 no yedi jumedie ebe so ewo Achimota Mall Achimota Retail Center and ayebesa yebiso so ewo West Hills Mall time pacho West Hills Mall then 18th to 19th September and also 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day entime pacho we was say EcoBank ene de bre yen afenso so inyumeko asambo mechidom ye the Plant City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats was a rent to own and afe sponsored by Elegant Home General Construction, Duraplast, DBS Industries and a Renters Paradise. EcoBank join News Habitat Fair and I will say everything house and opese onia ane upeso intisada no bekaya ho o habitat fair ACB afi Baileys ane the new Baileys Delight was a perfectly blend of Baileys cream liqueur and African honey ebusia wan kasa ensa dede wo se Baileys for front de mesrew wo mo so ya sene bi nso ya tobi efama ya ati we nka anadwi wo nom kakana wutie mbon komoso so ekakra wo say whether it's for time alone and I say old or new friends. Baileys Delight e wo delightful taste intino enya dia wo pese wo mess any sip cry. New Baileys Delight it was deliciously light with a taste of African honey. A whopper papa. Try the new Baileys Delight today. Was it try new Baileys Delight no enya ebusia me mamunyina kwaba bio nenne asem enkomo ewo ho no enkomo a ewo ho no yese adenti ena mama we sisuo bebre eda ho ye adakwa. Why are more marriageable women still single? And it says in the topic no me kura me ka ho me de asemo na me mame ene me papa no ena ebesi nkonya wo munimude ye ba no awarin semu pensem mu enye no nko a abrabom nsem ane asetine mu nsem ni nyina sampanyifo ya kwadare ewo mu enti no yenyi wo mfrim wo so a wo hwe ye no ye wo live ye wo Facebook page Adom 106.3 FM. I face so Dr. Shine Jena Michelle Ringa busam say promise ringa. But for life, wow we share set. Hey, assemble crani. Mommy sign or sit ma na we so free. Nya promise ringa Mr. Hey, ekwemu. Da me why ekwemu de nya easy. 3 weeks e be trend this ah. Enye is a monitor me rob. Hey, monitoring spirit me feel. Etebusia from Mr. Mo papa ene de ye be bon komo. Na omo ameni omo be sisa nkonye counselor Adofoli. One also a counselor would dim power Ghana ha. Our sem near dear Nina. Now no be sending me DM. Oh, I didn't I am mutumi mani paro hosa. Your friend is saying shine. Or people say I'm saying atima. It's counselor Adofoli wa down for and you are still single. And I'm saying what kind of question is that? Hey, me want money. I'm say, hey, it's because I madam we say me to me yes ngana. Cause I say we dey here no ma me say omo ntia say chese say won cancel me here. If I'm down here single no. It's how can you be my friend? I'm still single. Embasso sir, ana counselor. Aha. Hey, omo to me busa me questions. It's counselor Adofoli me ma kwaba. E dey buy your mon komo so. Me ma me back so prophetess Mrs. Gian Anderson. Annie, so for my back pe hey, open life. Hey, or top pressure my Mommy, me ma kwaba. Edi ba ye mon komo so. Afi eja dadie. Eh, eja dadie more day. Ende father de ni be gugu yeso. Eja me ma kwaba. Okay. Enti abusia for yankomo aye die ene se. Adenti ena sisia emra yewomi ye ema woma so aware bebre na enware ye eye economy ana se ye subai ana se eye ejuma eye sika eye mema eye spiritual issues eye namfosem eye busuasem ana ya brabo mu nsensem nyama maken ye nine nye izo precious of life eye den panti. And a majority of women are utunu so me drew our oma worrying pencil na womu en worry. Na Mr. Shai Refi so the cow say a bimusu divorce because me divorce association say me a president. Because me divorce 5 years in the year koyenim. Okay, enti mesha see free mommy so. Mommy na yo baro na betimi acheche mu yie. Aha. Mommy. Aha. Inti manenko emfa mai. Meda si some radio na nyameka sa ho ayefe pa. Oh meda ena o makasa ya sebo. Meda si ma. Tija so ma hwi ni mo. Set. Set. Just anunti na ma shine nti ne ho. Shine ma me shine no sit ma dey. Hey. Suspect. For life. Suspect. Asemo na almost so mutie so yetie fo nyina so yebeda masese magimra matena simutie samre na metu nchi akese so dia Miami sweetheart Bishop Alfred Kobnateria Anderson nyamisha upebre samre dia tima ye bom e wa sorry sa ye revival nti oh okay omo no e wo ho to wie ya na o ya na chese so for mama na enough for mo enough from so yeah is bibia be fine of course ai tiba once about singleness na ye attribute ama emanko but ayana emema ni bi nso eka ho na ne ema ye ema ne de ne ye alarming ne say wo say ema ye nyini ntem ti edrum pempen so bi ana ye say obia ema pressure enti wonya na onware wache oti ho de dada emema abako oda so eti ho ba me de ne ameka no say it better late than never so beto obo no ahwehwe no enya the right person wakoma pair nyame ahwehwe adiama se ne be ya weni begye e waware anim nya anya one day wonder okoya no assign we she just simply because nipa no enye o choice and I say nipa no enye ade a enka o hwehwe na so pressure anti ukọ mu bia ne ebisa se dey na masa nyama we nyina e bad my sometimes obi o say me go school me pese me wie me school and sana ma settle down pese me wie school na me ye adwuma and sana ma settle down ebi so wo ha e mani bebre ho na ya me kana eye me ya ye mu bebre ho ye mu ade enti no be ma be approaching but na waye nanim tema senya waye nanim no crampo ni just say me ka me bro be so unapproachable
yeah samu
just say oh ma chance nimpo
na waka odon sembi achire no there be obi nso wo ho atimam or you're very deceptive. There are a lot of them dating married men. Wamu edia share a friend is saying contain as or so me a single and so boa on your single or that obi DH or you're so good or you're so pleased our haunting on per se obeying in night now wama obimpo who said near air coso ewa na brabumu obi so DM I say on one kasa feel say onya bema of his choice and then you should telling novellas into no yehu abi
mama enwi homa me edien
abi time
edien na mama enwi e hu say
you see a 6 packs I na advert am sure see e we funi ewurade na we funi better pressure man on per 6 packs ai opobi osonwa openi odo no ani kemu openi achese oni ni pie bebi e be hu se abema we di obosi susita we die chese oni ni duru bebi e hu se we tu bema no abo bema din enu na obi nso twen se ne nsa ebeto so inti no da so ti wo se me twen Mr. Right twen abi shake level no ai enu na ye twen obi nso wo ho atema society no wo no feel say bema ni free me chrome ana bema ni nye me chrome ni minini free chrome akom na perception bi was certain tribes bi ho no no so eka ho mempe no me try me tribes aba bese me pani ade no ye niama bi am emma etumi edit ho eto ho ema omaware eka chire but for me dear chima nka me feel say enkenisa no top pressure bebre ma yensa obi so heart ma ejuma oye nkwenti no 1% obeja ho ema ofoforo mpo me chest or your boss lady you can boss lady or your boss su e wona adwuma mu mema nyina krampo suro se wo mo bebe ni mpo aka se oh madam debia no na madam is not single common cleaner bi krampo no na bia no no na nyame ahyehye dia man so wonpe ontwa ne nimpo nhwe ni nyina bi we mu ya niama kakra metumi aka na meje mama counselors no so so maka
almost assume okay and they make counselor for Liso
me da say prophetess I can me fa free no hopreko
and then they move fa me
fa free ko
Matia
eja hopreko
ya na dia ko eja no de dade na bom yenko
dey okay adukware your marry be am picking too much yenye hu ani ajaji from top to down be cry to me da show be hu me as wo wadodo na be say wa conclude but nipa da say there sometimes say no the packaging it here no e be the only inside no more than the packaging no but ye massa kwanya no e man hu nipa ko ni suni ni ban and say set on e be almost a perception o nyi ban nyina no adwen mu se boku american e fie na ye o mu no yo nipa bi a wodi be fie ko na ye nyina bo Jesus e ekunu nie ti okwa send pan na o nitim e bi kwa do be bia am conclude say send pan de obi afa no ti obi ani ko sai bi o ntino wa relax o baby to frina djuma ba wo hye ni fie pie obi pie kura kwa bonte ma hu si wo abonte nkron pese obeko office o pie kura na obi fi se o pie no hwehwe bema entin sanya man de nya de esese ye ne life ne baby adu no sanya man atwom ntino obepen baby atana ofie ebi so ho a onyi baby a oni o mutena ni papa ne mama ma ware ne nya de bia so ani entekwa abro na umede di hu ebi kwa de ni mapa adwane agano anani mami anhwe no ti saya no o nse aware de foto na ya twa mami no enye foto papa ti me kwa aware mu de nka me nya nka me nko ti nyema bi wo ho a wodi ne passion ni na attention ba wo hye wo chance wo de be kwa aware mu bi no so try ba wanya broken heart enye ba ko nyimi no atwa so enti na ba mabu ti wona mkra wo hye obi a onim so story na the same story obetima show bi en pakun ni din komokura ba de o kan nyina ya bane s de me s ayem no sa na mema nyina ya ti owiasim ka ena o ni slogan mema nyina ya nipa bone sa nipa bi sa no sometimes no because ya na no ni dressing kura nyina kakwa sa ya no o sha dark I ti so bi a o yi the knee engine. One pay attention to one can look stressy. Me says, not just me says, one I made says in one mammy. Meanwhile, we see in one can and yet bear my for being always sees in one man. But because of a year now, what couldn't know, one pay attention to those kind of things. Because, yeah, man, Yamabakwe, a drawing, a command, say, the look, number one. Send our packaging, draw me to you. Second, will be one now, Casa. A second thing. Third, might be our Yosuban eba. And because of a year no for Wintino, a manner are reduced to that point. When you low self-esteem, while concluding, me the baby, I mean, now me dear, and ya dear Miss Manu be an natina, because near my for moon, it be grand any ass and what cancer Bonibia fan also, or when you fell, why I can see a baby. Send your manu or play them back every day, or what it be because of an internet relationship, uncle ye. And the same Yamana Aki can it to no one or the any dress rehearsals our call. It will be Muswa if you're not moving Mubano, ye share and cast and papa and farmer. May share woman be at the age when you didn't come work. I shall say, Councillor, me free fear, ban me fear and me from me, mamina or woman or some more time. Eh, family, me siblings in Amona, men more time. And Teno, we're living life with that perception in one time. And in the color crack company siblings in the color, no, in the color near different from Omo. And to one now, no, Bema me Berno, or facing Pacuno, I don't, and or Berno. But no crying in Timisin, the Pacuno young who say when you be adding compenses or jealousy, competition, because now German or feeling insecure. We besides wedding fear, you were 39 years. And all the relationships are carrying in a beer and cockles our area. Wow, that all the things necessary because if you know free mobano, Nipana Bell, Dina move bonon, and I say I describe no, or accepted that into one that's so a low self esteem, our the number what they call relationship. No, if you know one who's me the baby, I met to a man. If you know one who's because of Nyamabia, a sorry amico, Nipakunim free me, my sorry. A corner me on Pacunim Fisa Kuno, me or degree. It will be all the same degree. Near Kawarema 50-50. Me edge one me a banker. Me will be a banker, me a doctor, me will be a or pobia. One in was certain class or friendly class. And to no one shares a class now. Our India, and no. Sasuban will be. Your money be or Sasuban Tinama, our reno, very far away from them.
Hey, and some ne doors won. Ejada dear.
Tema, Madame, Mamma chair tea for Mutier, and then you bring. Tema topic now with the Albany mood pa. Now, a tea for Benya Abatreno, Matiage, my dear, ya. I mean, you say, ever call you no beyond Mariano. I'm going to need that will be to my wallet. No, who baby, I didn't free ever. Tema, I didn't near my menu. Now, Nimiano, no, a bias on a package. Package anasa baako eye abusua de e ma na bibiri no mo wale ye no baako efra abusua mu ana baako so eye oba na nkasa ho nware ye no baako so eno so efri ono ankasa na ye hwe abusua de enum se resitiye ama obi eto nware ya ede na betima ma abusua bi ebetimi ama obi aduru se oware but wontimi nware tima hwe ade obi wo a abusua no mo de omaye omadwen se yempe hiani ewe fia but ebiana obana aduru time se oware no be ma no kwakohia no ohie ni wia na be ma ni beyeye ama abusua no so kora bia be so so ebiana ni sister bi odi kan ware ye hwe ni sister no awade no kwan fa so a ekoye no enti ne ono aduru so no so ba be ware no opo obi a ono so ne de na oba be ware no betima ye kese na ye fe atwen ne ono ohu ye no ana obu oso a abusua no damu no be ma bia kwa kofa na bafi obi a no ye wasama ye kafa no ho be ma na wo so ahia no da kam be ma na wo ahia no ye adwuma ben be ma na wo ahia no school ben wako ne ma mbe bisa na sansem we nyina enti oka o onko school papa bia na ye bu na bam enti se won hia e bia be ma de ne bafi ho afie no abusua no be gina tum ano bo se ba bia wo no obere abusua ni sika de a ene one na musa na wade no aye basa ana bisu wo ha mantamu a wote obi awade anaso obi awade no ye pen kakraka pa enti ono akwatena hobi enti kwambe so no so be fa ma ono so na wade a ode be bantam no ebe che obi ade no ono so de ahye ne tim enti so onam na onkohia be mu obetima ma na wade no tima be che obi ade e wantam wode a ene ye forget unya hia na no de nani awe na na akosia mansa wedding seresi course hwe be ma na untime nya mani nura akosia mansa de enti ene wonne mana kwa mu kura tema ye wie na busia side no eka asori a oba no okọ mpempi na ya na mede ema bebro mo nware ye no e de tag ye asofo because oba no kwa asonda mu no sofo hye ne nkom no o ka tie ne se wo ma wo se be ma bi ofira buruchiri a o da ne Benz papa bi oba be wale
nso na la pass ana wakohia obi nti se US ameye de ugudu la pass super me ameye de ye dio
ndi sa ya boga no ni ka prekora ya boga nko ade oni problem because of enya aka ato wa ya boga na ebia o ni subanya kora sofo enya aka nko ade e fana enti otu anyina wonam no ompe carpenter otu a wonam no ompo obi ono onam la pass se na ewo ka no opo obi ofri prem sisesi e se ni peso ebi kra brochiro no wanko bla cause obu oga na ha ebia abrawo a obo no eso ani but obu akwa kopo ba oni kan nka bibia owo enkyere oba no obu a odi kan so oba no hwe da bia me kan ma omuntie ne ye pa be mo no be ko dam no no duru dam no ye bibia wi na ade achi obetua ma pa no sa be ma hwe ni mienu tema udie ne ye
mitie o pa
hwe ni mienu because be ma bu ano so wahwe so wahwe se u pesikasem tu beto be ma bia manya ne de otua pa da bia hye be ma otua na ekosi san da bia hye be ma we odimi pie ekosi san be ma bu ho a ono da wi na de achi ya otua last ya o ma wo ma ne nchen biem because e bia o hia wo kra no eniema bia wo ye no on pese kina bu kwa kogu nani mase enti otua sika ma wa e kina bu ntimi kogina ba bi e ko kase bia o yesi ana ne watua no preko no okọ enti anu na ye abusia side no maame ne papa ba bia wote enamfo na asori etim de saade ne ba na yenhwe eye oba na nkasa so a onya nware ye no no so ne package no sire sitie
your packages
senti ameka ye mienu
asemo premium
saade ne your package ana ma
your premium package
nja fe na me ba package nti a o nware ye no nja fe na me ba ho hwe oba na nkasa onam na okọ no hwe sere wasi afa ne ho ana cancer kan no eno kra address be ma ba approach no wa muna nkasa na oba ana even kra no be ma ne friend wo be ye ne ho na nu nkasa bi obe kasa kire be ma no eno kra timpam be ma no kwa chi na tema ni nyina ne serious pa emma ni bebre no empa so enkoye enti se wo ya oba na wutie me obu wo ha ya nkyɛn kwan kron faso ni be ma na ya nkyɛn kwan faso ni be ma nkasa enti obetima hia mema bebre wana brabom but empaso kura mpo no eniema nkoyie enti be ma bi obefa ni bia no na wagya no da bia na asama meta kan se wo ya oba na so fa be ma na be ma ni jawo aya mfa nhye bayifo mfa nhye o maame anu wa bisa ho questions bi se so be ma ya mihia ni mekasa na pam no be ma ya mihia no menene na maame ya pere dodo ensembu okra be ma no ka se menka nanso anasa menene nam ti o no ma si achi madan lawyer anasa bini be ma no drum paso no na tesan te ma ba bi o ha woni ne be koda mu wa wi a won fro ba ni bie mu because on siesie de ho woni be ma ni dru da ma okra na okota abo no etabi obeyi abo be ma no enye easy first day we chia no na nyina ti ma oba na wono wa hia be ma sa opese o ware no wa wade no ekọ achi enti oba bi a otie mi a waduru mre se wo se wo ware no wankasa package hu ye se so menam wa be ma no obehu me se me ye obi am ready se awade anaso obehu ni se my ready se o me fami yanko no me sa o me fami yempie o me fami na yembore anase my ready se nei eneye woni me akoda mu bibia akoye no de mi duru fia abusuafo nyina beje matum anase neye oni me duru fia abusuafo be reject me and so the show team say my ready baby amadru no for awade a first obehwe okasa emu ye obehwe wonta de hyemu ye no ahwe wankasa asa oba no ompa so guro ye so wo sa niam we nyina na de wura awade mu a anase wo hia be ma enya ade be ma no obeja ho akoda amazisi no ohwe system mu a ya fo na ye bebre obi so do de ahye the team say ompo no nkwa ne de da aje obi de a oda ho ene onya hia nkwa de a obeje what is adwene so hye team pa ubenya wo de an because obi team kwa so fo bi say asuja fo nyina mo nsore wa sore okopekum na so wonye single
wa wale dada
obi o tin di hye ni team say we nu mi jana mi nyobi ma ne ntaduane ma wonya bi ma ne ntaduane ma wo so sore wo so pekunu nkwa wo de enya de beba nti tema aye package e ma no wo mo de abusua no wo ne de nti obi ahwe do ndi lem bibia koya awade na enwa aye dene ewukurum no bibia be kama me da ase
Semunie ebusia na me kai mo say wo live e wo ye Facebook page Adom 106.3 FM share ema wo dofo bi na wono so enhye na bra ne behwe nsem a ekoso a etwegu me sa koma mi so mami se na ejara de kai o ka asem bi ayeme de kakra obi beko sofo bi ho na sofo na ka che ne se akosua wukuna be ware ne pa owo Amsterdam obetimi aka baby a ote
wasankura bodin aka ho ama
sister wusu pia malam junction na utashia embema ana sorry inti sankofuei ba ko tetema ba ko tekaso a ebie ni we Amsterdam ya chew efikro obefiri maba. Where are you going to meet the person? One. What the mentality is I say be wadwi mu mpo say obi bepewa. What if say bia nipa na obepe later na obekọ Amsterdam. So fu no so ancheche mu say. So fu say inti mami would you say eno so ye one of the factors are Emma money bebre are still single
ti mami da say we dey abama kai so fu be preacher say so obi ba sorry fie na say bi oyehie ni ayese demon bi tata demon bi na ha no na nyame boa no no nya ye ya ayese obekọ London in 2 weeks na che say ya hye nkom hye ewo ho hyebre enso ewo ho nia ewrade akase eda wani manase nia ewo ho ma ewo ho na nia ewo se uye se wakọ asori fie ne so ye Kristo ni bia ne se enkom hye ne ba etwa se wo ankasa na ya hye nkom no wo san konyame anim ne empaye bisa nyame se ewrade sei ena wudifo kan die na wo so owo ka ewrade kire me kwan no ayeden anyankopon ebe yibribi a kire awo dai mu se esemesi a woni ne nam samre wono na meye na dom na wetu kwan akopie ho na wo so akopie mu bi enti sanso na nyame ayi a kire o se ebi a akwantuo eda wanim enche wo betu kwan na wakwa kohia sa nipa ne enu na afi wo hu se ne abebo bra na afa na se wona ayefo anu asati se wo yi wonan na wonan no ai aka won kwan wo de na watwen ewrade emre panum enu ne ade a se ye hye nkom ewo nyame fia ewo se woye afin susu no wo sampa ye ne na setima we hu hwe a sa obetina ase na watwen mretenten na ebi mane na chese enye ho na wo so online eyeden eda ene ka nipa na owa wo nchen na asabiom wo so ye nipa papa na se wo the man in him so ye marriage material no wo dia fa eno na bo awrade mpaye eye dia ne daache no ebetumi aye kese na de waduru sa bia na wo hwehwe no
hey asemni counselor
mommy dia ho me de me yem example me wife dem me ne ho no wata di nkomo be kire me sitama no asori no o na asori before be twan me asori aware no obehye obia no no nipa kunisi with the assessor worry yourself assessor worry yourself assessor worry will be a or a soft and or pastor and that kind of thing. They be a person only linking crowd to Obi sir, but not doing any call because no I so focused. What shall we name yourself for? Name in your counselor, anything of that nature. But at the end of the day, no, whatever Obi catch and say be Obi worry Obi sani, e ena marrying Pakuno. This one time I can say Ubet my shell be no new Pakuno, ne we yana baby or be continue, and then necessary say or software shall con say near Oka Shano, where so and so until we see the Pakuno say so and so. Wakitane can't wakitane cow for a brute into my friend, Ufra brute, wooting her. Answer na verify no confirm answer na wako into the relationship. Ebi kwa ni pakuno wa showing is in the process of becoming that. Telling we show be the best necessary any adam for. Get to know the person. It's an intention, the visions, the plans, long term and short term. Obe surprise it ne nyama ekoso no is just in line with on pakuno plans na na se ne dreams now or in life. But sometimes nyasa nyema ebi who nipa on just the surface. Yakuba kwaka onu hu akuma mu just so so that happened a lot with a lot of women. Just right off a man because in Pakuno fit in that kind of arena na the omudia picture na omudia to mitrim. Rather unfortunate.
Yes, assembly dia no dini.
Na Tima.
Yes, ejadade.
Near ye can make us a software can. Was a an answer of my make and we are so your son comes over Quabridge now, so no ada. Own Quabridge no. Never can watch us here.
Yeah.
Your son comes over Edgemore Airport now, so also no ada. And ya idea never boom. And it's a software catcher was say. Oba wale boga. Near the counter, one cassa say. Oh, Fata say which ya boga, a bit my handle boganana. Say be a sofa culture say Obawale radio presenter. Bisa I was a say any panel. Ube to my handle. So for shall come say Ebia Obawale sofo ube sofo mamia. Bisa I was a bit to my handle sofo. So when I say wouldn't timidia and you know better quite a first one. So better Sadia name Mudia. Obe pesa quino afaso. Nasa bogana. I was so well no who could I wait my day. Wow. Because the software cannot doubt him. Now we know what you ma because they be a bugger no po be addressing it. But software cannot quanti. Who is a bugger beyond a pet at a short. Bugger beyond a part idea you. Bugger beyond a pay a be a man off on entertainment. And you be a bugger beyond a penny. And you won't. And I will say no. So for say my wale bugger. And I so for say my wale be a banker. And then I may yana say any pan about Metimas on mu. I'm what comes so. When you saw homework, no, na so for canty, na doubt na say, wow, so another name Sadia, and a bug on a back around Pona. A china on you so we are, was when there was you. Bug of one do obey you. But say by your bell, because went to my handle. And say, and come shakura basse. Baby say, I was our dear no the far, and American and French because one said, in Kawase, and come shane bar. Yet it was to say. Ma mena so je se wo ye ho adwuma anase mo ani na ho na bobera pa betima boa ba nkom che ne betimi aba na bia abasa woni pa na ntumi se okay ade we mani je ho dia because wotimi ho ade bi na wo pe kwan be fa so a wonsa be ka ade no betima weke ama wonsa akasa ade no woti ne to akoma se mpese me ye we onti ebi wo kra enye se boga so fu bi na be ka che se bia wale boga ansan ba ebi a wusi so a wo ba no wakoma mu wo se me hu so for maame de woni ni kunu awade atie eye me fe eti kwan ben so na me fa me so metima nya obi oye sofo obi oye counselor obi oye radio presenter obi oye adwuma we me nya bia wade a me pe hwe sa nipa no e bia ko fa so ni atiti bia wonamu ni bibia no wabu na ni aguso a odi tim de tini kunu no no bisa wo so wo betima esa eti wo wedi tia sa pesa wo nya bibi sa de a wo oba no na wo se wo ye homework se no media manisu nyina nipa me pese me ware no aye ebia carpenter na carpenter no ana mason no samene nam ne yedi matam kora mpo na mabu nu aguma so me fa no because bi na minim ba bia ye de ko ba se no ni utim na wo de ebia wo so obia wale bi ebia omoka boga na ye wo da boga ne beba but when hwe ni ya atama ye be di ukura no Why you have
okay, ja.
Why you wa ho fe. Na boge akofa ni tietia pa. Boge ku akofa no ni dress.
Mesa ba.
Boge fure break aba no e ba sa. Boys wa no wa bombu. Na we ja boge no no ko. Nti wa nipa no na so ye homework ni ye. Let me abo.
Me da say. Counselor.
Madam.
In choosing a spouse, no, do you think say okay say spiritually would they because obi wo ho say bema enya ba ne ho say oh akosua ya adwoa meni chi ho pese me no tina bema ne kasa ya yen kasa we po no the picture sending a spiritual father said daddy check him mommy say oh you okay because of ochina semonti spiritual father ne check ya no kase we die ya menkom adwoa menkom pe ebia na girl no kra na kuma kodim kra sana wo dia picture na be che spiritual father no do you think say a drew ne sa onko ahead and awonye den sa the situation is very dicey and critical
Me da say I said we might to be that just a few years, I think 2 years ago, and our just on there. So I did back me believe see we are some kind every year so for and so for our deno adwuma back home that to say see yeah one more nyankopon no god for yourself nim nyahoma wankasa wo ho but do be na yeah so nyankopon nim no ma so for bom pan mame the so bom pan krom person so for nya fasting ma we no cry there say yeah first spiritual father and say that me describe bro no the assessment me here as a person no uno ye amame what is so very wrong tell sana sometimes no o konum nsuo ni wi na o konum nsane wi no abu wi no de ade ne ba na ma correction kra o person be fa but se ka unim nyame ma wankasa wo ho na obon pai no saba for spiritual father kra no ma input right is a confirmation to the unim di dada and ya confirm amount because bible kra ka say Nyankopon okasa ba ko ba ye tie twice so there will be a confirmation for yes God talks one by we confess it twice and Nyankopon bet ma kasa about partner but who nim it will be confirmed to you so for so is be confirmed to you asamba ko by we listen to it twice and Nyankopon want me the intro as we are saying.
Wow.
Yeah, and what we are saying.
Own to me ending.
Yeah, it's not a liar. Want me the intro. So any prophecy be our own. I bet my back true, but the most important thing, nim yang mima wankasa be closer to God, and it's a onya sa understanding na. Now what confirmation? Now so for so confirm can easier for you.
Yeah.
Every cry no we share in pakunu cry. What you remember so? Be nia. Assessing nyami bom man sana mianka sama de abom tina Christopher kom si dan a omotimi call for dedication see dedicate e dan ama nyami anaka na ama nyami tina ya so aware kon e de ko aware fie nyami fie si yen chira so ansana yen kasa start aware journey no so wo ko she obi na wo ko she ni pakunu office was too good and he has spiritual side ni ye take in charge see ye be check and yes spiritual side abusua na wo mu be be ofre ba efie na omu no ehia na nse hia manfo efie so de o mabusiafo ndie bebia se na muti o masem ye de ntire ma yenye ne sa edu de adie ne yakofie panka okofie ntem a ebi cross baby o ma obehu yare bi ofie ho a obetima anya information about it te we hia se ye kan asore de no ana ye ka honhom de no hunam su ka ho na wankasa ho adwuma eye no eka ho eja ka nyema bi ho a me the power because those things happen more often you come into our area finding a partner so we find will be and yet difficult say we will becoming the right person very difficult because any people will be saying nyema bi away wa kasa wusumasi edam nyema bi away no ya kasa waru bi ti say wa bet ma ware no answer ni be no ko nyema bi away no nya obi a on person sasuba no obey the same thing but questions why you ho adwuma to get to that place. You can't say a God-fearing man. One can say sounds we a God-fearing woman. Before be a yami home one yami son one can say oh yami slow so all the point I me driving home and say yes you're getting yourself involved. You're getting your spiritual authority involved. You're closer to yami. And then can say or so for no every on power 17 or more different prophecy. But wona beba no na fisa confirmation o wase de nyame ka no anokware na watimi ato anamɔ na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde woto.
Okay. Yo, medawase papa pana. You're live ewa in Facebook page. I don't 106.3 FM. Comment ni bi abade. It was send me BA phone lines. Each time we call. Fred Boy say me shamo live from Tema. Maria Meya was say me shamo live from Missouri. Ewa United States of America. Mary Echeri nyame show. Steven Jagbate was say me shamo live from Ashaiman, Lebanon. Edu Boahin was say good evening. Me shamo live from Oyibi. Na Edu Boahin na bi o say nice program pa but man no mo pesika. Hey, dear, hey, ye, Hunamani mo. And your baby and a pesca, a bimosu page, you, Mamma. Aha, Faustina Young Force, greetings to you all. Love. Mehudi, or say, a your donor sometimes, a your musa. Na Roja, Kwan or Sitima, Michiamu, Enumre, Piaga, or see me favorite program, Ninyame, Inshamu 1 by 1. God bless you, Father. God bless nation. Isaac Chumesi was saying, "Meshamo live from Israel, Tel Aviv." Was say, "Sikana or you say Sikana a problem because was say a member ni biwa almost suffer because omuni sikom be worry." Mpacho sana. Hey, Gideon Kwesi Hosu Alphabet was a good evening, Satima. Now Meshamo live inside United States of Jordan. Anyway. United States of Jordan. Gideon Kwesi Hosubio was say, and you made the topic is interesting, pana. Nancy and Maoma bad dear. Dear pastors Becca and no mutie. It's a man be bro, almost a single because of homo pastors. Mpacho sana walk on. Na Koblaji is or say, a bino or see the reason is character and charisma of a mani binomno. And nuntina mama ye single. Character and a charisma are two things. It's no character and it's subai anyway yebia. Okay. Mary Amwakosi, good evening. A very educative topic. Odoi Tema also was share live inside Tema. Mary Amwakosi was share from Spain, Madrid. Oh wow. Ni chaona was the topic in so ekoye. Gideon say to Mama Minka be being fat topic you. Or say Emri be we the whole story okay. Or say Emri be not or baby are not done pa so much. Na oye be bia ebema obana jia to mu say or no eno like opeso worry no. Na ne pastor hey dio ne pastor catch any say on no nye be ma oba ne pastor catch any say on no guy ne nye be ma say nyame yi ama no so on worry no o say enti oba ne ja no ba nyame enti wetumi enyo obi a wote na se na wate na se so oba be worry no o say up to now wa worry but
the lady is
oba ne da ho ye single nice. Hey na okay mami because of focus say nye yi a aya na mami e ho kakra na e delicate
can say you need to know Christ, know the mind of God concerning you.
Who so hear conviction?
Well, yes,
because
so
my
that it will
says
be confirmed.
Yes, so for say tema be me emwawa na me no okay se be ma ne mboa me a na me hwe na so be boa me a say no se makonya me enim say nyame say ni but me who say ampa waka e bi so na there sometimes e bi a true there are some hidden characters me no me no nyina ehu it waka so okay so for na mama study ni wanga sana ubeja ne life
na me ncho anu ho e bi ho kra enye nipa kono a ye be ma na ehu wo wankasa wo ho adwuma bi ho asese wo ye na wonya nyencha delay wo wankasa wo waware amanfo hu ni sa.
Wow, interesting. Ebusia ye be phone line see na ya den. Asem na no yes 0302216561 and that's 0302216562. Eunice Jabin say Miss Medrin say a man no and a cause of the problems. Na sometimes no ye mbani aye ready no na mo mema no mo twamani ɛde hwɛ baby foforo mami
asebo
mami ɛhɔ no bɛ ansa kakra de ama
me de eno no me ji eno ni endi anase memfoa eno ne so once ya kan bebre aware agina wo ni nipa na wo kwakọ ware ne so na one kasa personally no so agina wo so nti obi nya compatible you easily know or you compatible so you easily know nti me de wa sebe man adwane so when you so whatever no agina one kasa so whatever you do to move on you do and move on that is it
mama fa krankan hwe
okay
se be ma pewa ono mpese obi de wo ko nani bra abre no enti se wo be hye se afiri me ma na nye me ma na ko se be ma hia na so pew na so person warewa aya na ni bra bra pese onye ho ade hu se bibia ye all right e wo wo ho a enye ono na be ka se bia ba se be ma na won ne wo ho na ka se wo ye ready na ka se ye ntwa na se ordinary we ba bia e bia na bibi koso a be ma na ni nye ho but wontimi nka but o hwe kakra se bia wo besesa once san just say wudi mu sa no maja o
enye no obi ka say e ma ni bi pesika obi asemo kan no de oso ono no be ma sika ni hu no ono wo mpe
sa
enti onye sure say obetumi anya bi a ni awo enjoy no obenya
ana wo so kra no ba na no wo hu se wo pesika no obe enjoy ama wa abato ma
oh yes eno na ya ema ya ka say emema ni bi ene ema na high time for nanti afi no akofa wiemfo aware no we ope character no ope nipa ni suban no enya wo dia na yenko ha yenfa ha yenye sei na adwene papa bia ni wotire mu na enya no no ope ai
nebusia maybe a phone lines 0302216561 0302216562 na me kaimo say your live ewo your Facebook page at 106.3 FM okay na mami it is a say no first of all a man should they confide in omo your friend is saying pastors ana
tema obetumi aye ba wo hunia de bia me kan say ansa na wo be kono di kan adekura wo de kono bo ho paye na nya wo confirmation
mami ka story bi na me hwe de we a mo be ye no your friend is saying madam fubi mimbo ni din or no ba be worry doctor me crown podamika bridesmaid who near the they loved each other mu dating for 4 years doctor no echo US and oba back obenya one of the biggest hospital wa no head or a surgeon enti wedding ne ba so akabe to say 2 months we say na say the wedding they prepare ahead so I make be almost 4 years ena ne cousin ya down for ne cousin ka so omo ye all night ono so obi a obe ware dey say o bomb pie and all that nti okoja ne cousin no omo kwa asori no sada no aka company upon all night no e na sofo no frɛ madam fo no no ka che ne se be ma bi won ne life enyo no nyanyame yi a kire no e mo ka ka so ye doctor nyina ade a omo hyehyɛ wedding invitation everything no mommy like bibia girl ni jai boy no ya my boy no like boy no to me contain the shame to free Ghana or pa girl natural pa girl ni cancel wedding ni ba me mu nyina kai echri so for ne se nyame se ono na enware madam for mommy sa se mu eni bra se mu
oh my god
we rain fi sa asem ne da so for ne se nyankopon say after ojai guy ni panicho 6 months guy on say nyankopon afasa so for ni maka on worry na the future aba say so for no say o worry na the future be ye basa and so for no so very powerful so you will believe ena ojai
wow
after 6 months so for na aba be pe ya down for it ya down for ni to me and can't you now when Obeka me the same stuff no semen why but are you serious into on to me can or date 30 at the end of the day no bow say softly say way into no or no is to say softly say nyame say na me say hey we are sure okay Bryce me yen na kwaya obi abufu ya because guy no oba be why mommy if you see future you see
you know
hey bonny this is your and so nyame na me wo no nti oso onye ne eja no e no ko ware so for no mommy me come down for this situation sisi ahụ you'll be shocked ya bu ni nyina ya bu no nti no de ebe de o de ekosi ye nyina ne say obie mu ka kire me say o worry sofo no after 2 years and me be na sofo no bu no sofo no akwa kochiti na obu no e na obusa ne say boni ben pa na me na osin a na ka se mejimi nyankopon anka hwe na wo ho efe no na nka me mja ne ko wari sa jimi ni debe no mami girl ni si fiti sa time no na odo na owo masofo no bibia yirai sa time no so no woni na wo tu oh doctor no why cry be fan yere akọ US into no how can you go back now see and when we say what say obiba life mami what say obiba life ebi no
tima enya se sofu no
and up to now she's regretting
girl ni dachi
or say
he decided
or say nyankopon anka hwe or no ohun ade but sometimes almost no or say a bicycle so mfa so ni free into na into ohun kra or so dey be kan na ade or no pe no no nice girls are no nja na nko
it might be say ohun ye another information center ye ebia obi from Ghana family mu akachre sofo say oh me nua say e kowari nti o ye informed he is already informed tima me nim ya asofo ni mu bia yes na nipa ne kura be dru na sorry de ne ya nipa ne interview de da e wa bonti nti wan kasa wo ba no information nyina agu sofo ni nsem o de ba be hye wo nkom iti na me de ne say me ansa na me ku obeware me no ohun na ade ba kwa me mfendi agro our my life mu eye discernment that spirit ni eye ade e wo so we kristoni a wunya awo wabrabo mu se wadru level be bompa ye se wrade abrebia onfasa honhom no enka ho Bible say and David inquired of the Lord David bisanya me on tuanamon bia on bisa ne nyankopon da na se nyame kire ne se tuanamon na kwa hwe edifo to me ba David nchen nyame sise fine onu so kɔ ne nkotodwe ni no ebisa ne papa say ne yakan enti menya na o se pursue them for you shall overtake enti no one kasa no okokokti sa nkom hye no Sibiribi nya tinka bi wo mu na nya self conviction through discernment awo bompaye anya mpaye awo koda ka bada be urade kase bompaye se urade entie sa mpaye na awo bon non ka biribi nkyerɛw eye den a Kristo nim nyame be yi biribi a kyerɛw se sofo de ne yampa urade be yi a kyerɛw anya mpa no obekyerɛw contrary to what the pastor is saying na wo hu se oye otrofo difo eno ne wo kasa na wo dachi ambo there are a lot of girls so because they trust the pastors too much. Me yourself, me ko your differ, but I am saying this. One kasa bohum paye na she. Bon paye na she baby rade de woko. Now I mistake wa abrabo. I had self-conviction. My husband say, "Nyame say, me yene yere, me bohum paye tema." And gradually, whatever I wanted in a man unfolds in him. And I'm so happy. I'm enjoying my marriage. Me one issue I enjoy it. We solve it in your dear Donny or Koyanim. So what yes, it's when Yanessa, not so what slide or to baby. In fact, for the rest of your life, what no sabe good no soup. Now so no dear walk. Now what ho and tia my ninda ho. Your compy Bobby or be coha, no be coha, near Shannon. Wamuya, my sophony be crying, wamu at da. O ko pe ni breakthrough no ne na da ne se ya hyeme nkom me ko bi asofo hyeme nkom me ko bi asofo hyeme nkom ye nya hwe yie ne ye mbo yankasa ye ho so mpae me my husband will tell you di we need to me so be we odokono no be we ne wuro I am leading you and teaching you how to pray then you know how to build yourself on the word of God that is also Nyankopɔn kora wankotri n'asɛm anye bibi bi oyɛ ogina n'asɛm so no de yɛ ni wiase.
Asɛm o abo mi pusakra. Okay, auntie, also good evening. Me din Joyce Sorry, me share my life from Asaman Kese, Kwashi Chrome. Greetings to me papa, Mr. Kwesi, brother inside Kwashi Chrome. Isaac, also me tie my life from Italy. We a great show. Nyami shamu na audition banana ya was Y2K. Me share my life from Facebook. Greetings to Eja Dadie. Owa hine champo say we na causes of delay, especially one man side. Until say omo be becoming of themselves no. Betina ho ache. Hey, Tema. Kwabno Opoku Ajimo say very good point. Was say one kasa no hu bibi e free nyame ho. Nye de bia ene beye pastor. Mommy, me say me I have my fair share because friends are omo kika nsem share me about pastors. I want my life I'm on me Lucy. Eye ebia wo ma de papa bi no.
Things, yeah.
Mommy enye easy.
Yes.
Enye like example Madam Fui.
Yeah.
When no ne ho to the extent say opeso jaya like also on to me ndoni kuno ne bio because we feel say we deceiving.
We're deceiving big
spiritually
time.
No. We deceiving.
Big time. A deceit.
Deceit.
Yes,
spiritual issues.
And just a spiritual issue. The marriage is on deception.
Yes.
Imagine us will add divorce.
He has confessed. Yes.
Wow.
It can even be invalid. And now we are properly because the basis, the foundation of our area.
Yes.
It's
on deceit. Yes.
There may be
men of God are not God. Nyami nipa and also for enye nyami. So don't go and rely. See because see or nyami nipa. That's what we are saying. See, no God for you.
Yes.
Nyami mao
yourself.
And I'm happy saying that as of mommy I stress on that, especially the women. Many of them on face say just being closer to a powerful man of God and say what do nyami ho but that is far away. Far away. So, somewhere, let's leave it because also for me, I can enough on that.
Counselor
I was saying that when they were going to, someone was going to anoint David. Oko anoint David. Oko no kodu fie hono. Nipa ko office assess on one anointing. That was not the person. On who is of a penny who have a calling of God. Our tinyami any and okoho. But Kodu and was going to do something different. Contrary to the nyami person oye. So when we I saw for crying here more, I say a bomb payma I saw for so that they don't fall. And so for baby I move fall because followers no cry kekero. I won't say we next to nyami. Yes, I won't say we nipa that's now no here and more. So young men now, if you say girlfriends they are software and I saw it, all of a sudden, no money girlfriend other than town for no. As I saw drum closer, word of God, I'm to make the better one. Instead of saying, around say, I saw for a guaria, I saw for a good relationship. What are you doing? Because we pastor with you, or prophet, one casa with you. What do you know about word of God? To name for yourself. And that's the most important thing.
And I baako so ewu ne say anya say wu nipa no sofo no kan ya wo se wa fa ne sa because eduru ba bia sofo no kan
that be there are sofo no bi why you can't doubt them because of how our carve your ho where you be a why spiritual father for very long time
oye nipa
oye nipa se wo hu ne sa
oye nipa onu musuo ojare sabi okọ ayi private se na wo yo na
okay mate one challenge no nyame say onye mame a enti den na be ya fa ho
na se nyame so onye ma de na be ya fa ho ejada de
situation
situation bi wo ho e bia wo sesan enye ye because e bia obema bi wo ho a wo pemma naturally no you can never change and daddy I don't know men like that
o e bit to sesan
e bit to me sesan but I no e be ye den
suban se wo si baby a wonam no endim boa wo and you want to do what it takes to change no hia mo a it is easier But be of one say
one year na adwen say wo best daddy.
One year na adwen so we free ho.
Na ebe ne din.
Yes.
I dey na fi na kwa
anything because of
Febia. Na mami ko da ne yem 9 months wa sesa na wi. Do owo ne kwan sesa na wi wo na wa.
Unya be ma na oye cheater. You will know from onset. Don't ignore red flags. There are certain red flags you certainly see. Obo say wadam for be wadam for no one fe pa.
Even say no wadam for no.
Just say, oh my God. Yeah, the knee side, we know they are sure baby no abeso steer ni no okwa. Obo here no making submissions. Who say or your flight.
Mami be a phone line 0302216568. She TV there na me boy. 0302216561 0302216562 0302216561 0302216562 Friday se ya kejatum na ye mo enkomo Mary Obi say tima me face the same problem hey Nate Ebenezer also of Mama Nyami Shrow. Hannah Mensa also me enjoy my program. Nepa greetings to Counselor Adolfolios of Mama Manager that day. Or Paribus Max, good evening, because some of them omu nim the way I kasa into omu muade into enti no bet na watch Edion. Ebi mo message me ridiculous me who aggressive or message. Ed, hello. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Tema.
Yes, darling. Udi any baby I will free. Okay, Odokasa.
Let your mom you. Ask me. And my mate, here, man, and my airborne. Yes, Shannon, Thomas, otherwise, but you also from me. Now, maybe I see you. Na yakop mazi na so fukitwa ba se me ka she ya kan le betimi aba se wo ba we ni yesu ampa nsa ni no wa ba yeso if man try to say na wo ten wa wa eno na ebuwa mende me de ware ya ma wo ma mi nsa mi ti so ni ko yesu ni ho to me inti me ma Many na the chip na amaye bia madam to be there wa won da be the an ware you find your na man
muntie de obi kan yeso ye da wase obi say na prophetess bi e wo na sorry a oye very strong 9 years ago prophetessy Emma no one na yere prepare for our prophetess catch omo say omo ware a omo ntumi nwo da because obani be manya fie de nti no omo nja ware no osetima na de we edo ye ho ni nti no ye ntumi enjai wo beje di say next month ye celebrate your 10 years anniversary ye what 3 strong boys tima e wo see ye bie ye ni hello
good evening.
Good evening pacho udi ni baby alfrefi
Yes, I'm a extent and sewa.
Okay, sewa kasayeti.
But some the ya first program by we na boy by so open. And I'm seeing what I say a pastor. A pastor no that no shame come say no wali blue. It what can I see who say enyo no and say me pedia. That no kind. Enti na me so boy no the shame come say mama no enti eche no me be dog boy no and I'm nante no. And I want to catch them and say, okay, no, what training, you know, Benjai, and I'm see you, Matty. Then I know a copper girl for, but later was out by friend and found a bonnet chain. You wouldn't mean yes, here.
Hey!
Or the promise ring now,
Counselor. Odo, Counselor, may I answer why?
But your Matty, with us.
Miss Medasio, do you?
Bye.
Bye, darling. And some we are say, Daddy, would you may try to want to be hello?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Pacho Udini, baby, Alfrefi.
Your family, small London, because I feel about the I know my media, Mokasa, I made there. me atie mo pa ma me bi o ra me ti ase mo topic na mo ri tuzo no ase pa etera de jago ko bo na nyina chira mo ko bo ma nyina chira mo
Yeda say nyame nhyira wo so. Thank you so much. Hello.
Hello.
Me
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. That's your friend, Sister Rose.
Sister Rose, okasa free.
That's a Taifa.
Okay, oba akasa meet you.
Me so me face you. Ono kwa mpo ya meba. Ena ya comparable. Na so fun. Dem konse. Obenyam. No be full plane. Ebe say. Into even for 5 million. Now for any more appointment. But my junior fast. I'm saying you call you. You better say, maybe I am out for plane. I call Abba. I call you. I am ya don't she is.
Wow.
Now so for an Abba no. Mama, you need down. Oh.
Wow. Sɛ wobɔ mpaeɛ wankasa wobɔ mpaeɛ nyame etie yɛ me boa.
Yes.
Okay. Nyame nhyira bebree.
Amen.
Me da se pa.
Yeah.
When nyina yɛ futuo ɔsɔfo hyɛ wo nkɔm a wo bɔ wo mpaeɛ so that you get your own conviction. Hello?
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Mpacho udini baby Alfred.
Mfefe Mataiko, iframe Kwame.
Kwame kasa yetio.
Edamasi. Munina sana no wakasema kumasofa nishama. Nidi kama kati habari na offers them be bana kwenu kofa fofo wasamba. Oyina jemfini so. Oyina jemfini so ni ko shemo a oyoradafo. Yetusu mienu so na mo ka obi anka Dr. Nigabe wa na okowari osofo. Onya bari de waware isremo. Omo nka se fapim no na denti obetimi agaware. Bibie no Bible musa. So onya koware a waware. Ni kyerese yi bema no bedada oni ade tiefre urade enu ti obetimi asa akogya no. Ono na David enu nye Bible nya so edija awade. O si Bible say oye o manti bremu eyire no dance ni o kan Malakia. Nti meru ekura okura no ma eso ko waru kunda da no. Eso ko waru ku uhwe Bible mu awade pa dia. O so bibia wa uba ko waru nya ya ware chano no. Wa se awade. Ajiso okra Romans chapter 6 ajiso ni minister ko mu bio. Jawari shishia wa Bible mu dia dependent self control. So bani ni kuntema asam say dia na consistency wa do kura.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Pacho dini baby Alfred.
Pacho ni ma James Lee o center.
Hey, James kasa yetio.
On se emma bebre omojo mo so fudu kwa so mukunu. Oba kwa so ba ya kira kwankyere no. Ye ni kun abaka chen bia wontie. This why de obeya yi. Ena bebre kwa so nemre kwa mpo no mbeso mo ware a. Omo di man kwa kwa so funu first and some da kwa so omo papa. Minim di a omo wo sa so. Nka so fo nya so fo de be abinu fi. Bi ko mpo omo se boy we good na ba se oba waro no. Omo ka chen so boy we de nya oni pa. Minim ba bi na ko pombe kashe no. Wo ko so funu nken no ka chen so wo su ni pani. Nti manu mo nyina ho na mam pompa bo munya din yeni nyina na so for ada se bi ya ni sham
On shall so. Me final caller.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Efo.
Tima.
Ah, my friends are own friend Efo. That's to say.
Tima and that ye
Oh, say obi aba do ka aduma amoye. And the topic muka na it's not special no more now. To be sure that Tima, I said many a candy. Say, Dana Sofu Binum, say, Mamuba, Muka, Sofu, you are Sofu Papa or Ghana. But a binum, and a Omusubanti, and Obia Sorano, such as Sofu or Rofo. Anti Sofu Binum, and then I want to mudi worry, Ghana. So be worry, I just a Sofu Nekodi worry now. And then, so we be worry, obey me the Sofa Koja worry, many parents go out now. Tima, what do you say? Sofu Binum more. We worry now. We engagement here. So we are ready. I won't allow to buy the code because until we are ready, I said I have more about it. Now, you understand something? Worry no, I didn't worry no. Did you say? I worry just a safari the engagement. I will call parents in check for your bad worry. I saw you be no more. Emma says, I need money cost. And the media can say. Obi a obe wari a so fu be ka bi dichro so da wuka no wo bompaye na wuka sa do ni aziknasia bibi a obe ye bi e na so fu no mto a omu sori a omu patro e she ekomoro ti na mo kan sai ekomo o ze mo kan sai no omu kan sai
o se de ade
a so fu no mo kan de akoma na zo mo kan
omu she nkom efo
what is it you wrong so for papa wo pa o to wo pa dan
yati efo yati. On that note, your final words that you beje ewa yen
no see girl no lady no when ya kwaware ni mu awie nti ontene mu temam asema wo kan yeti say aware ni mu no papa no o deceive no one ino man ni ekọ mu owie ya no so anfa so ha anya repentance say mesra fa chemi na mum osan abro no eka ho any marriage, and I'm saying it again, tema awariye bi a ya bro pai waso mu no pe ba bi dwanefa na enku ansa na yakase akwa busia ha o tinase kakra obesisa tinase kakra until see ye be ku sa de hye no anse na si ye fa nipa ne court nka mum hweye ma abawa ne hwe no ho a na be ma ne nya no hu pa eno kra ye better. And again ba ko so o kan o say asofo ni mu bi hye enkom direction tema obi e ba ye nchen a o say sofo say onfa Johnson si what 3 days na be ma no oya aduane ma no de asomu ama na be ma na do ne mo 3 good days
and come
mabi yeniama bi no
and come superlative
yes mabasem ye show di for no koto nsuo no see kromufo ne se wo muntumi num nsuo no oyade ba ko de nkyene in esesa isa sebren nkyene so e wanyame asem agina ho o se ye ibiase nyina nkyene
emraso
enti mesre uko bebe ni ye ma wakwankyira hwe se akwankyira no is based on the word of God and son of waji atum no akwakoye se bi ye nka se fa urine si what 3 days na fa say obi bema na oto na kidney asha se ni asetina ase
mami jaw number that time as
my number is 0244798359 social media handles prophetess Jan Anderson nyame shiro bibia
on show so ejada the final words there were just a minute into your fast
we anya wa no mane ni na obetimi aware tema ye kọ ebi obi tie me na o wodi hye bia o asma na asma no ekuno ehana me de number etuja eyo maame eyo ba ana be ma wo 40 years eko na be ma no mu aye mre no fra ebe mo dama mu aye dere na wade na so my number is 0244 83 41 and 36 0244 80
me da say ye kan nyina information I right information in knowledge no na manfo nhyere nim na maniema manfo eniye me hia me catch us o correlation wo hia counseling o kwakoware o hia counseling we individual person wo hia counseling wo hia direction be clear that misconception is sanyema bi a ekoso na edi ehu ebe hye mu me counselor said man me ye my office was being test through Coastal Junction. Ube free after the show na ube free. Number is 0201 435300. It will be 0201 435300.
Okay. Ebusia, Madam se papa. Counselor Adofoli, Ejada dear, and a prophetess Mrs. Jean, I mean Shamo. Any more mature pa. Ene modi ababe tight topic fe HG. Na moso soa mo hwe yen e wo yen social media nyina. Nyame show bibia. That send ye be say shower ye mon komos. Munim say good topics kwa na de bia. Ye de be bremo. O wo ho na your ba na worry ya ma weni na ho. Ma weni na ho ye den a. Aje wo ka say wonye ubetimi aware papa. But choose the right path. So for ka asema wo so hwehwe wakumem. They say no ana say nye no a. No. I said I guess Koma Alomo Beaters was see the authentic African beaters and a Bayless delight. Ebusia our faces is Dr. Shami producer ba ko pencho be worry. Also you no worry because my bread I shine chindodo. O worry sa no sharing your point ya no e dey. Wo coffee. Till next week be topic. Na ya audition am shine because 2022 shine and warrior ejuma no say me jai. Ane. Iti Dr. Shine Amisha. Ena je ko say Rasta man ahofe. We twa Rasta neba ne sen. E your banti na je ko twa ye. Ana say mami odo to me esesanipa. Or don't je ko unity. Hey, love is sweet. Enya hwije ko nyamisha. Odo ma Rasta man than different thing all together. And me who know. I miss me ba say JHS boy bia we wie na sisi a wo be just shine. For sabe woni. Yes, life is sweet. Inti je ko only try go on social media we say me the most see hearty. That's ene ye be den. Ye be sai Asia. Ebusia me domododo by that's and then no crowd chana be say shower Dome TV shine jai say obusa am say ring no e be say for life set won me call me aha me dey mo see makra me din tema konkosha mokrom na from me tema me twa me nika kra na